4 things you supposed to know about relationship as a normal young boy wey don come of age. These are the things you supposed to know about relationship. Number 1, your girlfriend, that your current girlfriend, so don't already get your replacement. Now you never dey see am. That your girl wey dey follow you dey stunt it every day, she get your replacement already. Then they talk for their phone. Then they communicate. They feel never dey serious like that. I know wetin I dey tell you. My ex-girlfriend, the guy wey be say she marry recently, so that guy don dey the scene tey. But that time this guy say, and me I know, because I dey very smart and sharp. That time she always dey tell me say, na just normal person. That time, even when I dey Ghana that time too. So me as I quick understand that I come withdraw my body. True, na that guy na dem marry. That guy na she marry. They married this year. I'm not the verse say they marry you. I just dey let you they know so you go learn. That your girlfriend will dey with you, so the person wey she go take replace you already dey there already. If you be former classmate, that person is already there. They already did the picture. On a feel they would greet you. You feel even know, if you know, but you they feel like it's a normal person. May I tell you something? One guy from my side, this guy, the bike man. That you know, say that time we say Tuesday night, people they get their normal bike, a personal bike man where they anytime when they want come off, if you put on come, you go carry them. So again, one girl where they date. The girl where they date. This bike man, they always said to go carry the girl. To go carry the girl. That your girlfriend, no. Anytime we say maybe get one come meet her, you get one go ask. You call your bike man. If I go carry my girl. Could you believe say that bike man I married the girl? But the guy not do bike man again, no. He don't see the alright as normal guy. You can normal. Me, I don't see drive bike before. I don't buy like 2 bike before. I'll use bike also. Even buy another one, give person with they balance me. Cause they also, but now they do all those things again. Now that guy, so that bike man where they always a good drop again for and so. Now he later married the girl. They end up together. So that your current girlfriend, your present girlfriend, don't get your replacement already. Now you they feel like say now only you dey, not be only you dey. Definitely never the knack, or definitely not the knack. But the replacement of you say in case you come out, the person will go replace you. Don't did the picture already. Now you know they see him, but she know him. Her best friend know him. Now why if you want to know the secret about your girlfriend, not make that your girlfriend best friend, so try offend them. Tell her something about her, like your insult her, make she tell you the history of that your girlfriend, so. Or know her boyfriend. She go to tell her boyfriend. If you want to know the secret about your girlfriend now, she must get one girl who be seen her best friend. If you know that her best friend, boyfriend, when I call they close, she go tell you the secret everything way that one they tell you about her. You go not spoil. You go not the gossip that your girlfriend see. They tell her something that one. If they come on, they go the knock any. You might not have as a yobi. You go not go tell your boyfriend like that. So if that guy na your friend and this your girl not also na two na friend, that one will clear you everything. They don't talk about that your girlfriend, cause they know their self secret. They know where they work out they go. Now you don't know. So what you're supposed to know about relationship, number 1, your replacement already dey into the picture. Now you never they see him. You know understand? Where are you streaming from? You know where we they stream from. Because before the live go end today, maybe have you all give one girl now? Have you all dash you one better girl? Maybe you just stay there. You too serve you need girl who go love you the way you did. Not be always way they say money. I don't know where they learn all those things from. Somebody say now worry, somebody say now Dublin. You see they watch me all over the world. They watch me all over the world. Somebody say England. Somebody say Dublin. Somebody say Owerri. Somebody say Doha. Doha not be Qatar. Somebody say Cameroon. All my people they London now. I get people full London. I tell you, I London. Or even they see me, they cry. Geh Geh. Look at. You guys come and see. Look at him. They're surprised to see a black financial expert. When they use finance, they transform the whole world. Nobody be like Geh Geh. They know they see, and nobody be like me. Nobody is more proud of me than the way they proud of myself. Use that mentality to live your life. Your biggest fan are you. Nobody love you past the way you love yourself. Now when you call they talk sweeties about yourself, they say you dey full of yourself. Yes, I dey full of myself. If I'm not dey full of myself, now you are one day full of. I'm very, very full of myself. I love myself. and I'm very, very proud of myself. I know where I did before. I fail enter this place now. Continuous failure. When people they succeed and they fail, I fail enter here. It's not easy for people like us to be say we not get supporter, we not get anybody, just the grace of God. Now steady walking. You understand all these things now? So number 2 thing you're supposed to know about relationship. Number 2 thing you're supposed to know about relationship. Number 2 thing you're supposed to know about relationship. Not let get deceive you say, I know they follow you because of your money. Every woman is following you because of you and what you can offer. If na money you get, she dey follow you because of the money. For somebody like me now, fame na advantage for me. Many of una don't know. I was talking to a friend yesterday. And they tell her say as I dey here like this now, even with your money, it dey very more easy for me to meet with to date the daughter of a governor than you even with your money. Because this person already know me already. And there is a day around these people every time. Because where my fame will carry me enter easily, your money will not carry you enter that place easily. So that fame for me first na advantage for me. So if any girl they come around me now, you got the claim say, not because of your fame, not because of your money, na lie be that, not believe all those things. Women they follow you because of what you get to offer. And if you get the money, she's following you because of your money. Because see what they happen now. Anytime we be say get day now, not be only you be the man where they talk to her. She feel get like 4 options. If she won't calculate, mass tell you now. Because now she never really know many of una. She never, out of the 4 of una where they ask her out. The truth is that she never really know deep how una really be personal character and all these things. So what if she they consider, okay, see me for you now, see Geh Geh for you now. See you now, see the other person, see the other person here now. The first thing where you first consider, this other guy, this one, what thing they do? They say this one get money, they work for so place, so you don't keep that one as option first. This other guy, if he be say, he not really too guy, but she still like that one behavior somehow, but he not really too get. He go pick him aside. Maybe this one, other one, they good looking. Now so she go take point everything. When she don't point everything finish, now at the end of the day, he go see come to that one, we go fit take care of her. They play first. Make her leave. Who they alright? Because say make come. Then when you don't choose all those things finish, now you choose the one we get money per way they alright among the 3 of them, among the 4 of them. You got the claim say you not there with me because of my money. You feel not they not be say she they shop the money. Oh, wanna understand what they talk. Oh, let me say she they follow you because of the money. Come and say, she want they shop your money or anything, but that thing now wait till she you stay pick you say this one you get GLU, this one I get that business with that plane and they get them. Now you see that they consider before they pick. Now you will be woman. Now you when you want pick woman, you go they pick the one where they are available. I get one friend like that, and they tell her say you will be very stupid boy. This guy not the date girl. You know the date girl because say any girl with your treat her right now they date. Was it just what just this guy just show small love and care. You know care when this type of person I won't really deal with you. You don't pick him. Before you look now, relationship don't start. As bro. Sometimes you see need to they give all these guys condition now. Not be say because say girl treat you nice. So therefore, even if not be your spec, because say she treat you nice, you can't go they pick them. I know they do all those type of things. So you know that's that kind of thing. So now they believe all those things where your girlfriend they tell you. All those I'm not with you because of your money. She's there because of your money. Not let anybody deceive you. Not let anybody deceive you. Let me know where you are watching from. We get 16,000 people. 16,000 people, almost 17,000 people watching this live. That's 17,000 people. So if they put it for stadium, you know what team me say you are performing. Although many of all those events where the video they go, where you go here say if they perform for 10,000 capacity, you know they see the crowd. But social media call they make you they feel like say maybe you even create video, 5,000 people watch the video, they feel like say no, you know what to be 5,000 people. If they put 5,000 people for a room, if you not even get confidence, public speaking confidence, they make you face the crowd. Many of them are not go fit, when I go even tremble safe. Not talk of 16,000 people. where they watch, where they stream Geh Geh University live and direct. University of Wisdom and Understanding live and direct. 16,000 people now they stream and so. And I fit tell you say 90% of them na men. 90% of them na men wey dey watch this life now. Number three things you suppose know about relationship. Number three, wetin make you man no be money. Na prick. Na your nuclear weapon na im make you man. No let anybody deceive you. And this message not be for you to be lazy. But wetin make you man no be money. Till tomorrow I go still tell you. Because I dey see some people when you go tell them say, you say, you know, I get one of my guy. So anytime we dey drive, if I come go look and say you will be say you get car, any get car easily dey with you now. You get car. I tell am say bro, not because say I get car. Even if we not drive, I go still call you. Your confidence as you not get anything will make you man. As I dey like this now, I get anything to take convince myself I be man again. I be man already. Not be money make you man. All this mentality wey they get say without money, so now the reason why you go see one small boy you get small thing because say you now they feel like say it gets past you. You go they talk to guys things where you know say normally na rubbish they talk, they even insult you. You know if you get up to challenge them because you they fear. So not be money make you man. I don't know where they preach all these things. Say if you not get money, you are not man. No, not be everybody go make money, make you understand all these things. So how many percent of the world get money? Just like 10% really get money. The rest people are living in poverty. And I'm not saying this for you to wallow in poverty or for you to encourage yourself in poverty. But know that wetin make you man, na prick, your bola, na make you man. Wetin woman they bring? If that your girlfriend who you dey date now, wetin make her woman? She get better shape. She get back. Not be wetin make her woman be that. Then now you don't reach your turn now as a man now. You don't reach what you offer. Now somebody call they tell you say now money you need to offer to make yourself man. No. Now prick. You hear? If she feel they bring to two and if they bring to two, you bring prick. You know that's all these things now. Yeah, now prick, now bola, now your nuclear weapon make you man or not let anybody deceive you. Say you be man. Now man you be. As long as your prick they work. Now man. Now why you say you need to maintain and the iron and they keep. So make it day on active duty. Anything will be say to do your look is guarded your hand. The thing sharp. Anything.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.